This video is brought to you by Pahrump Valley Air Conditioning and Heating, 775-727-7488.
Nickolas von Alst appeared in Judge Lane's courtroom today via television from the Tonopah jail. The 20-year-old Pahrump resident has been charged with murder and armed robbery in connection with an incident that occurred in Pahrump in the early morning hours of June 24th. Von Alst is accused of teaming with 22-year-old Kyle Bickerstaff to steal a pistol from a 17-year-old person named Culbertson, and they arranged to go to Culbertson's home to buy the weapon from him. The pair allegedly pistol whipped the juvenile and tried to rob him at gunpoint. Culbertson was able to get the gun and shot off a shot and killed Bickerstaff. Based on Nevada's felony murder rule, a person may be charged with murder if, while committing an armed robbery, a person is killed. Jason Ernest, who is the attorney for Von Alst, waived formal arraignment and informed Judge Lane that he intended to file a writ of habeas corpus in the trial. The defense asked for a jury trial to be scheduled. The defense stated that Von Alst is an employed resident and has close ties to Nye County and asked for release of the defendant on his own recognizance or reduced bail, saying that the defendant is innocent. The state opposed release on the defendant's own recognizance, explaining that Von Alst is, at the very least, guilty of robbery with a deadly weapon. Judge Lane will take the request for release and lower bail into consideration and will inform the attorney of his decision in a few days. The jury trial for Von Alst was set for March 9th. The person who is accused of killing 22-year-old Kyle Bickerstaff, Cameron Culbertson, was in district court today. The 17-year-old pled guilty before Judge Lane to hiding or concealing evidence, being the firearm that shot Bickerstaff and the shell casings, which he is accused of throwing out the vehicle window after the shooting. 47-year-old Monica Gonzalez was also arrested in this case for her part of allegedly hiding the handgun. The police and district attorney have determined that Culbertson will not be charged for the murder because they believe he shot Bickerstaff in self-defense. Sentencing for Culbertson will be on December 14th. He is facing 2 years in jail. His attorney, Daniel Martinez, requested that Culbertson receive an own recognizance release so he could go see his mother in Florida. He currently lives in Pahrump with his grandparents. Prosecutor Don Cherez opposed his release, stating that Culbertson is a flight risk and possibly a danger to others. The Nye County District Attorney told the judge that Culbertson has an extensive juvenile record. I'm Missey Kohler, and that's been your court report.